Tap 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 tap. The mermaid under the sea. Under the sea, in a rocky place, lived the sea king, and he takes daughter. Yeah.
Good, it's okay.
Daughter swam to the top sea, but the little mermaid was too young to go. Her little told her tail was deep dry land and people with legs. The little mermaid wanted to swim to the top of the sea. At last, it was the little mermaid's birthday. She swam to the top of the sea. And there was tea.
Mia, they want that. They like that
The
book.
sea
Like
talks are
next time we'll buy again, okay? So you
people
will read so
with
many books.
legs. She loved with saw a handsome prince and fell in love with him.
Aww.
Well,
Go.
I wish I could walk too, said the little mermaid. But suddenly there was a storm. The sea thought the ship this way, and that the poor prince fell into the water. Oh no, he will drown, said the little mermaid. She got the prince as he fell down to the water. She took the prince to the top. The little mermaid pulled the prince onto the sand, but someone was coming, so she swam away. A princess was walking alone. The beach was wanted. The sea wanted the little mermaid. Then she went to help the prince. He opened his eyes. He didn't see the little mermaid. He only saw the princess. Thank you, said the prince. He was very wet. The little mermaid was sad. She told her sister that she was in love with the prince. I wish I could walk on land. She said her sister told her about a witch who could work magic. The witch could use her magic to give the little mermaid legs. The little mermaid swam down to a dark cave where there was a scary witch. The little mermaid asked if she could have legs. Take this magic drink. She said the witch, in return, I will keep your boy. If the prince kisses you, then you can have your boy back. The little mermaid agreed. The little mermaid took the magic drink. The little mermaid went home and sipped the magic drink. It gave her a funny feeling, and suddenly she couldn't say anything. She had lost her boy. Why, Dad? Potato said goodbye to the Little Mermaid. The Little Mermaid woke up on the sand. Sure enough, the magic had worked. She had legs. The prince was having a walk. He saw a pretty girl sitting on the sand. Hello, he said, can I help you? The Little Mermaid couldn't say anything. She had lost her voice. The prince fell in love with the Little Mermaid. But the prince had already decided to ask the princess to marry him because he thought she had saved him. You saved my life, the prince said to the princess, so will you marry me? The princess shook her head and laughed. The Little Mermaid saved you. She said, not me. The prince was very happy and went to find the Little Mermaid. Will you marry me? Asked the prince. Then gently he kissed her. The Little Mermaid had a funny feeling. Her voice was coming back. Now she would say, I will marry
Mamaya you do
you.
it ha, pag hindi na nabasa si Ate Daisy. Can you video it again?
Good question. Would you rather live under the sea
Babe,
or
video
on
niya for
land?
this.
Why?
I'm gonna show you.
Would you
Because Steve is asking
come
for
on,
it.
you to your friends and family if you didn't have a voice? Should the prince have to send that he saved the prince? The end.